There once was three little piggies with the mice, or two piggies.
And there was a house. They can't move. Their food is on the other side, and the house is so big that they can't even go. Not this way or this way because of gates. So now they want food, but the house blocked them. And now they're trying to move it. Oink, oink, oink. Ah.
And they push it, and they push it.
And they pushed and pushed, but they couldn't do it. That moved, and then the mole came and they tried to
Oh, the
push
cow.
it. Move. I can't push it.
I s-
Yeah. No, Jay, you gotta make it fall. And then, yeah, and then the dog came to help them. Yeah. Thanks, dog.
Oh, good boy. And that's the end?
Okay, now I'm going to choose. Come on, we're going to make a play.